Hello people, happy fall. Today we are going to carve pumpkins. She's washing hers. And we're gonna make Halloween chocolate chip cookies. Well, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies and we got sprinkles for them that are like Halloween. So yeah, enjoy our pumpkin carving experience. Our best friends slash also our neighbors are gonna come over and carve the pumpkins with us too and eat cookies and enjoy the fall time. Damn. That looks cute though, look. Like it's like a cute angle. Oh, then, well, not when your freaking tetas are in the way. Alright, we're trying to find a good Christmas playlist. I mean, Halloween playlist. Cookies are in the oven, and we're just waiting for those. Guys, if you have never tried cranberry juice before, I am obsessed. This is my new addiction. If you know me, it's chocolate milk, but I think this is gonna be the runner-up. Nothing will ever be my chocolate milk addiction, but now that I have a cranberry juice addiction, this is the one. Second bottle in 1 week. Oh my God, can we do the circle? It has to be the Japanese dance. Wait, okay, let's do it here with the camera. I forget how it is. Oh. Oh, didn't it go like this? Oh, yeah. Good as hell. This is my part. Do it here with me. I don't remember how it goes. Well, guess. Ready? It'll go like this. Oh yeah, that's our poses. Nobody does. I don't even know. Let's look at that. Oh, it's this way?
Yeah.
I can't breathe. Oh no, wait, hold on. That's funny. Can you see my mouth through this? What?
Ew. That's disgusting.
So good. It's so bright. Hey people, half of the crew is here. Ellie, you want to say hi? Bro!
What?
I just stepped on Hershey's poop.
No way.
Bro, we cleaned it too. She must have just pooped.
Oh no.
Rah! Okay, I stepped on Hershey's poop by accident, but this is what we're gonna do. A skeleton head going like this, because I'm a skeleton. And I thought the middle finger would be funny. Hola.
I'm doing this.
Are you gonna
Do this
sketch
one.
here up? That one's funny.
Are we really gonna be in a YouTube video?
Yeah, why not?
I don't want to be up in YouTube. I do not consent on
Oh, so you're not gonna do this? Why? You don't have to like talk. Aw, that's cool. Ooh, yay! Green. That's really funny. Yes!
Here, do something.
It's so small.
If the glove don't fit, you must have quit. Ew, that's Kaka Shrek.
You're not bad.
How else am I supposed to paint?
Did you see that? I went to go scoop it out. I almost put it back in. Anthony's broken.
What?
She just walks around. I'm gonna stitch this part of the shark. Oh my god, I'm scared. Once you go black, you never go back.
Nobody says that.
Ah. I'm gonna start carving. Oh, I think I got it.
Mama, man, how cool.
If you, yeah, they're for you guys, like to eat.
So fucking good.
They are good?
They're so
Okay, good. We didn't know if they were too soft
so
or
soft.
like perfect texture. I agree, I like them when they're soft. Do you want milk? Oh my god, this is such a arm workout. Oh, I shot a pumpkin seed and it went to the other side. Ta-da! Look at that. Okay. Damn, bro. I don't remember it being this hard.
Ew, Baby Shark looks like he's like disabled. Disabled Baby Shark. Oh wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
With audio?
Yeah.
And you can't see yourself?
What do you mean?
I can't see the recording.
It's split. Oh. Good. Hey, yeah, I'm concerned. I'm serious. I got it so wrong.
I just realized now when you started laughing. I didn't think anything of it.
Holy shit, that is clean.
I told you. Oh my god. I'm getting pumpkin like all over my face. Look, it's on my eyebrow. It's on my eye. Oh my god, a pumpkin eyelash. Okay, I think I got it. Oh fuck, it broke. Damn, dude, how did I do this? Oh my god, that's it. I messed it up.
Let me see.
I don't know what to do. It's like completely falling apart.
I'm not gonna do Baby Shark. I'm gonna surprise Daniel and
Oh
do
fuck.
a Ninja Turtle.
Things are just getting stuck.
Oh, I thought you cut
That
yours.
doesn't happen like,
In locks?
yeah,
My jaw gets locked.
my fingers lock. Here's the aftermath. Here's our pumpkins.
Ta-da!